Welcome back. Today we're talking about XCNOnyxcoin and why if you hold 1000 XCN, you need to see this. Stay tuned as we break down the latest news, technical analysis, and price prediction. Bitcoin recently experienced a major drop, pulling the entire crypto market down with it. XCN was no exception. However, despite the dip, XCN has remained one of the most actively traded tokens. With a market cap of around $400 million and 32 billion tokens in circulation, this coin still has room to grow. XCN is a key player in Web3 blockchain infrastructure, providing financial solutions for organizations. Its strong use case makes it a high-potential asset. Many base ecosystem projects that launched recently on Binance and Coinbase have seen major price pumps. If XCN gets listed on Binance, it could trigger a massive price surge, just like other tokens that followed this pattern. Currently, XCN is sitting at a key support level of $0.013. If the market stabilizes and volume increases, we could see XCN pushing up 4x to 5x from here. Key buying levels to watch. $0.013, a good entry point for long-term holders. $0.005. If the market experiences another dip, this is an excellent second buying level. Potential targets. Short-term, 5 to 10 cents. Long-term, $1 plus if market conditions align and major exchange listings happen. Strong fundamentals. XCN is built for real-world financial applications. Upcoming exchange listings? A Binance listing could significantly increase demand. Low market cap. At $400 million, it has major room for growth compared to top-tier projects. Past performance. XCN has been one of the most pumped coins before, indicating strong trading interest. XCN is showing serious potential, and with strategic buying levels, this could be a big opportunity. If the market recovers and exchange listings come through, we might see XCN skyrocket. What are your thoughts? Do you think XCN can reach $1? Drop your comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates. See you in the next one.